Kia ora tato, welcome to the gem of the South Island, known as Governors Bay.
It's a small community of not quite 900.
Plus the boy races at night whose cars often get munted, but during the day it's quiet and cool. There are 85 students at the local school with 8 great teachers who like to twirl.
What are they doing?
Perched above the very best view in the world. Well known for our wharf, which was damaged in the quakes, we've spent 8 years doing what it takes to rebuild New Zealand's third longest jetty, to straighten the piles so we can walk out on water for what seems like miles. There's the best cafe ever, Volunteer Fire Brigade 2, who saved us from the bushfires 3 years ago. True. And of course there's one place that you should never ever snub. Governors Bay, ladies and gentlemen, has the world's grousest pub. What do you reckon?